Okay, this is off the truck. Okay, whoever has any type of pickup truck, this one's done on a Colorado 2024. Any pickup truck any year will work as long as you have a factory alarm. Silverado, Colorado, all the GMC product, Canyon, AT4, anything you have that's pickup truck, Fords. We have all the tailgate sensors that go inside just for the tailgate. If anybody busts out this keyhole and they open up your tailgate to steal it because of the camera, or they got into an accident, they need your tailgate, their factory alarm will trigger this time versus if you open the tailgate, nothing happens. I'm going to go ahead. I armed it with the slight tailgate open because it locks. So this is the only way I can demo it out so you guys can see, because I don't feel like removing the key out of the here and opening up the tailgate. So it's easier just for me to hold it up and arm it. I'm going to go ahead and let it down a little bit. I'm going to start little bit by a little bit so you can see how far it has to go down for the factory alarm to fire off. So basically about 20% open of the tailgate. This guy's got the deck system installed with a lot of valuables. So, you know, he wants the tailgate protected as well for theft on the tailgate, and as well if somebody opens up the tailgate to open up, you know, his deck system and try to steal anything. Also a shout out to deck. We do quite a few of these for the customers. We also put them together for customers that don't know how or don't have the tools, or they just don't want to put it together for, you know, the health reasons, that they can't really climb up and do stuff like this. So we also install the deck system for the customer as well on the trucks. So yeah, this is a must. Of course, you can always get a key for the deck system. They sell that separate. But a lot of times customers don't want to keep, you know, I imagine that you open this thing 300 times a day and you don't want to sit here and start putting the key on and off. They haven't come up with any fingerprint at all, which I don't think they ever do. But yeah, so by locking, when you're armed and close the truck, by locking the tailgate, it's a plus. But if they bust out the keyhole and open up to steal anything, or even steal your tailgate, it's nice for you to get an alarm to fire off. In this case, he's got that OnStar hooked up to it, so he'll get a notification to his phone when the alarm sets off. This particular guy bought this truck in 2024, and he got the 3-year free OnStar for now. So yeah, this is the add-on for the tailgate. We do have the DIY kits. You call us, we'll ship it out to you. We'll give you the installation video, how to install it. Shouldn't take you no more than 45 minutes to do it. And we thank you for watching this video. Our numbers are 305-298-4814. That's 305-298-4814.